Jai Srimanarayana, 27th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vaktrani te tvaramana visanti damshtra karalani भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैः उत्तमांगैः। ओम। This entire cosmos is there in Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine Visvarupam. Whatever that dreadful things are happening, deaths are happening, all that is happening within the body of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Realize that Krishna Paramatma is externally, internally pervaded everywhere, supporting each and every entity out of his compassion. While realizing his compassion, keep on saying, keep on taking the name Jai Srimanarayana, Jai Srimanarayana, because Srimanarayana is only the best suitable complete word to address the one who is all over out of compassion. Keep on saying Jai Srimanarayana, thinking that you are wishing the welfareness of entire universe. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall always remember that this entire cosmos is there in your Visvarupam. Whatever the things are happening in this universe, I shall recall that it is all happening within your body. Krishna, I shall always remember that you are externally, internally pervaded and supporting each and every entity out of your compassion. O Krishna, I shall also realize that the most suitable, complete word to address you is Narayana. Krishna, I shall keep on taking Jai Srimanarayana, Jai Srimanarayana, wishing that welfareness of entire universe, and that includes me also. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. Krishna, I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము 10th స్కంధం, దశమ స్కంధం, 179th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bakasura swallowed Krishna. Sangadi lokamulanniyu mringuchu krakkuchunu. Who is that Krishna? The one who can swallow all these worlds, Brahmandas, and who can again re-establish this entire universe. Such Paramatma, now he is present there in the form of one Gopala Bala, one boy. So he was swallowed by Bakasura. He purposely swallowed by Bakasura. Then Krishnam Mahabakagrastam Drishtva Ramadayah Arbhakaha. When Bakasura swallowed Krishna, Balarama and all other Gopalas have seen that, immediately got shocked and almost they were paused as if they don't have life at all. But the one who is swallowed by Bakasura, who is that? Gopala Sunum Pitaram Jagat Guroho. The one who is the father of Chaturmukha Brahma. Chaturmukha Brahma creates all these worlds. Now Paramatma is the father of Chaturmukha Brahma. That Paramatma is now in the form of this Gopala Bala. He was swallowed by Bakasura. Then after getting into Bakasura's mouth, Sri Krishna Bala Gopala is making that entire of his mouth is burning like big fire. And he also stuck at the throat of Bakasura just like a burning iron rod. Like that, when he was stuck there, Bakasura could not bear that pain. And immediately, Mringaradu Anuchun Vadun Kraken Vedalan Lokambu Asokambugan. Then Bakasura felt that I cannot swallow this anymore. Then immediately he vomited, he threw Krishna out of his mouth. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11వ అధ్యాయము 27వ శ్లోకము. వక్త్రాణి తే త్వరమాణా విశంతి దంష్ట్రాకరాళాని భయానకాని కేచిద్విలగ్నా దశనాంతరేషు సందృశ్యంతే చూర్ణితైః ఉత్తమాంగైః. వక్త్రాణి తే త్వరమాణా విశంతి దంష్ట్రాకరాళాని భయానకాని కేచిద్విలగ్నా దశనాంతరేషు సందృశ్యంతే చూర్ణితైః ఉత్తమాంగైః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.